You've probably carried something like this before. Humble, faithful, sure, but stuffed full and sad with cash and receipts and any random thing you came by, all in one place. But when you realized that all you needed was your card, then you probably switched to a slim card holder. And you probably fared well with it. But now you probably carry a phone as well. So why not put them all in one place? Introducing Fonepay's virtual credit card. A credit card that works virtually, just like your regular card, giving you access to features, controls, and the flexibility to make your life a lot easier. All through your phone. See, getting a credit card has not really been an easy ordeal. That's what we are changing with an easy and paperless application process that gets you your card delivered right on your app instantly. And when you do get it, you have the ease of QR scans throughout our vast network. Use the tap and go feature, shop online, and even set up automatic payments, all with enhanced security. And when you are making big purchases, you can convert them to EMIs, all on your terms. The Fonepay virtual credit card. Leave your wallet at home.